Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a swatch video on some new releases from Glam Polish. I was so excited when Glam Polish contacted me to be their guest swatcher this month, and they sent me 5 of the polishes from their new 80s collection. This is a 10-piece collection, but they did send me 5 of the polishes to swatch them for you, and I do hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As far as the collection goes, as I said, this is a 10-piece collection. It will be a limited edition and the exact name is Totally 80s collection. They will be releasing on July 31st at 2 p.m. EST, and they also have a promo for you guys, so the first 72 hours you can save 5% all individual shades in store with the code TOTALLY5, or 10% of a full collection in store with the code TOTALLY10. I will leave all this information for you in the description box, so definitely check it out. And yeah, these colors are absolutely beautiful and I'm really excited to swatch them for you and hear your thoughts on them. My only thing about Glam Polishes is their brush. I'm so used to using wider brushes that their skinny brush is a little throwing me off, but these polishes are still really good. I didn't really have any issues with applications. The only polish that was a little thicker in formula is the pink one. If you do 3 thinner layers with that polish, I think you're gonna be happy, and any pink polish lover, alert, you're gonna love it. I am not. So for me it's definitely the purple polish that was my favorite, and I also love the brownish one, Don't Feed Him After Midnight. Beautiful color. So thank you so much Glam Polish for sending me these polishes for review. I believe this was the very first time for me to also try Glam Polish, so this was an awesome opportunity and I'm very grateful. Let me know guys if you will be getting any of these polishes from the Totally 80s collection, and if you ever tried Glam Polish before, and what are your thoughts on their brushes. As I said, I just prefer a little bit wider brush when I'm applying nail polish, but these work just fine, so there is not a big issue with that. I just wanted to point it out for those of you who are also used to wider brushes that you can find nowadays in nail polish bottles. Alright guys, I will jump into the swatch section. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. A big thank you again to Glam Polish for sending me everything, and yeah, keep watching and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you, bye bye.